Jack pulling in at back door, standing tall, driving through. Come on. Oh, he comes out.
You're seeing the houses on the beach wake up to some brilliant waves right out front at the Proving Grounds, the Mecca, a place called the Bonsai Pipeline.
Fin to go way deep.
To be honest, that was like the best session I've ever had out there.
Setting up a backdoor pit, Eli Hanneman disappearing, still traveling, pulls off a miracle.
Makua Kai Rothman slots in, backside, barrel coming out, yes!
He kind of played it about as perfect as you could play a heat. Not just was like, pipe, I want to catch waves, you know, like normally there's 5 million guys out.
We're into the quarterfinals now. Eli Hanneman just continues this busy start to the heat, locked in deep. He comes flying out.
Let me tell you, it looks so beautiful, but it is just not the wave you want to be a part of out here. And, oh, sorry, we're gonna have to go.
Watch out.
It was a really fun wave. It was probably my best backdoor wave, to be honest.
And we're down to the final 8 surfers.
And a Singh is in tune now with backdoor.
My favorite thing in the world is being in a heat and a pipeline.
Oh, Smith, the exit after the spit.
We gear up to find our final 2 to make that move into the main event here at the Billabong Pipe Masters. He finds himself deep inside a wave.
Give it up for Billy and Iman. All right, boys, good job.